Yeah, very good morning. Today we will going to be start unit 4 graphical representation, and based on the graphical representation we will going to see how to draw a graph. So on that graph how to we have plot the value inside the graph, some of the basics example to draw a histogram graph and frequency polygon, and with examples we will see one by one today. From this graphical representation means it is a combination of x y coordinate. So those two variable point, once we got it, we will go to plot as a value inside the graph. So we have to plot a single point. Suppose the value is in like a x coordinate, y coordinate, we will going to be plot this value here. We need two digits, so one x value we need, one y value we need. So based on this x comma y we will plot the value here. Suppose we will going to be plot the another location, we will going to need one more digit like x1 point and x2 point we need. So based on this two digit we will make as a make a line. So we have connected the intermediate line by using the plots. Okay, so as a basics example we are going to be plot in the value based on the table or based on the event we will going to be use. So as a value we have to load the value, and what is the type of that plotting the digits. It may be a dotted line or it may be a dashed line. So based on that we will going to be consider here. And the colors, it is the color, what color we have to print, it may be the blue color or it may be the line became a red color, so we will mention as a color. And x y labels, so what is the label, it may be the weather report, in the sense it may be the weather from the or x axis, it may be the time, it will comes in the from the y axis. So whatever the label we will going to be mentioned here. So the it is a syntax of creating the plot the values. So v as a vector, it is a type of drawing will going to be plot. It's I as a line, O as a line with both. We have to mention as a line with pointed. Mention it here like this. It will comes. Okay, and the x is the x-axis label, y is the y-axis label. Main is like this graph will be given the common name. So what is this? Is a rainfall chart, or like if you go to weather report chart, so we will going to be mentioned as the main in the title. After color means is mentioned the color of pointing lines and pointing value. Okay, next we will see the example of plotting the lines. See, so as a value v, here we will mention as a 7 12 28 3 41. These all the values are going to be plot in this graph. So here it will plot the first point, it is first x-axis, the region will be plotted in the 7th position. After the 12th, it is after 12. So this one is for 28, again it will come 3, so then finally it will reach 41. So the maximum of this value, it is here 41. This side it will total number of point is 5, so it will point in the 5 points. So after once it will be completed, there is we have to mention the file name to save. So this file is going to be saved in the name of line chart.jpg format. So and also we have to plot the value O. O means it is also going to be point, and we have to plot the line. So both will going to be mentioned it here. Okay. So dev.off is a file to save inside the drive. Okay. So next we will see as one more example for the changes of color. So previous example there is a no color we have to mention, but here the same input value from the file we have to save, and we have to change the file type color. So once we will give the color, it will load as a red color. So from the X label it will comes month of the label. So Y label it will comes the rainfall. So it will mention as the rainfall from the Y direction. And finally the chart of the file it will mention as the rainfall chart. So here it will showing the red color with dotted and lines also filled. So the type is O type. So the value is 7 12 28 3 41. So these values are loaded in the Y, so it will be the vector is V. So finally this file you have to save by the name dev.off. The file will go to be saved. Okay, so this is for line chart to draw by using colors and labels. See, the for next example here, there is using multi lines. There is not only a one line to represent. There is a more than one line also. It is possible. So here there is a y t. Both the values are mentioned here. Yeah. So those values will be mentioned color, from the color. So file will have to save in the different name, and v as a vector value, type is O, red color, month will be here. So and this all the values are filled. Additionally we have to use one more line, that line is T. So this value T will pointing as here. This line also add O type and color blue. So it will simply loaded inside that file. Okay, and finally we have to save in the dev.off. Next we will going to be see as a next method for presenting the graphical value. It is bar chart. Okay, what is bar chart? So once we have to show the chart in the x-axis based on the bar. Okay, it may be the range from the starting point to that ending point. So the bar will going to be show the range. Okay, so from it is x-axis and it is then y-axis. Okay, so for this syntax we will going to be see bar plot. Earlier it is showing simply chart will be different. Here we use the command is bar plot. So h is our vector value. So x label, again y label, main name, name dot organizing, then colors. So this value will going to be loaded here. So h is our hectare value, x label, y label, main names are label. Then name of that argument is for name appeared inside the each and every bar. So first we'll go finding the which name, what is the second bar name, third bar name, fourth bar name. We will mention it one by one. So finally the color will be mentioned it is a bar graph. See, from this example here, the values are inserted, the names are loaded here, and we will going to plot the value based on this graph. We will got it and we have to save the file. So once the file is executed, we will got the result. Let's see. See, this is our output of the previous input. So the input first the value is 7, second value is 12, third value is 28, fourth value is 3, fifth value is 41. So this value we will going to be plotted here. For the next example, see, from here we will see as a again bar chart with labels, titles and colors we have to add it in this PPT. See, from this PPT here there is a input for the size of the bar, and M is value for what is the month we will mention is the first month for 7, second month is for 12, third month is for 28, fourth month is for 0. So here whatever the input is given, the equivalent labels also mentioned it here, and the file saved with bar month underscore their revenue based on the name. So we will give like that the name to save. So now we will going to be plot the graph. So with bar plot, vector value, name is for M. So this name will going to be considered as a M. X label is month, Y label is revenue. The plot will going to be plotted as the blue color, and revenue will going to be generated is in the label of the chart, and the bar plot will going to be giving the border as the red color. See, let's see the output. See here, from the same input base, it will fill the blue color, red color border will come. So each and every bar will going to be have a name of that bar, and it will going to be we have the y-axis label, x-axis label. At the same time, we will going to be see the main name of that bar chart. So everything will going to be mentioned it in this output. Okay, so let's see the another example. So from this example we can say as group bar. What is group bar? From the single bar we will have a divide the equivalent part. So we will going to be use 3 or 4 colors in the single bar. We have to see one by one. So first the bar can create as a group bar. So it will going to be used as a matrix representation for the bar. See, like color, month, region. Three variables parameters are mentioned in that bar. See, first the input is mentioned here, the matrix. So these values are matrix value. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Five matrix are there. So number of column 3, number of rows 3, number of column 5. So the condition is true to check. So once it is loaded, now we have to show the bar values. These values are loaded it here. After the main name, it is total revenue. Name of the argument month. It will be going to as the name of argument. X label is month, Y label is revenue, color. So color it will going to be created as a colors. Automatically it will be there. The color will going to be divided as a here legend of top left region. Ceiling color is 1:3 fill colors. So now we see the output of this example. See here this graph will going to be divided as three colors. So north, west, east. So these three colors will going to be divided as a brown, yellow, green. So at the same time the labels are also mentioned it here, like name of the months and X labels, Y labels, main names. So everything will going to be use the programmatical in our programming tool, and we will going to be appeared the data into graphical representation form. Okay, so these are all going to be taken as an example of from this art of R programming books, and some of the references books are added here. Use it. Thank you.